Welcome to Joy Residences by SMTC. Joy Residences is the safest and newest trend of modern living in Baliwag, Bulacan. So let's check their dress-up unit. So ito idea sa unit na ito turn over sa inyo. So ayan, pag enter nyo ng door, ayan, pwedeng kitchen na yan, yan yung kitchen nyo, sink, and yung CR, there's the CR, so, malaki rin naman yung size at hindi maliit because our unit, one bedroom unit, ang size niya is 24 square meter up to 25, ayan, so, 24.99 and yung studio and natin is 23.51 square meter and yung studio unit regular ay 17 to 18 square meter plus. So ayan yung idea to have your living area and katapat na niyan yung dining area, kainan nyo and pwede nyo pang bawasan kasi look, ang laki ng space dito sa ating bedroom and comfortable pa rin kayo and may space pa for your cabinet. So let's check the turnover unit. So this is the turnover unit. Ganito siya. So meron na tayong base cabinet dito sa ating sink and look, marami rin mga outlet and yung CR, complete naman na siya with your water closet, lavatory, and shower. And yun. So, ganyan, and tissue holder, ayan, ganyan siya ita-turn over sa inyo. So, yung kanina dress-up model siya na pwede yung gawin ganun. Ayan. And here's your open space for your living area and dining area. So, marami naman na ngayon na minimalist na alam mo yun na hindi space saver and look, kasama rin tong ating divider for your one bedroom and may sliding door siya. Yan. And ample space pa rin for your bed whether it's a double size or single. Ayan. So, thank you for watching. God bless.